Hello, hello. Hope everyone's doing wonderful this Wellness Wednesday. So today, y'all, I'm just going to go there, right? Sometimes we need to rejuvenate. So today, 3 ways to rejuvenate today. All right. So let's talk about depletion because I don't know about you, but I know about me. I can sometimes get into a depleted state. And here's the thing. I know that I am not the only one, right? I will sometimes let my internal battery get depleted because I think I can go, right? And then I realize, nope, I'm human. I can't continue to go without some rejuvenation, without some renewal. So I love this quote. We must always change, renew, rejuvenate ourselves. Otherwise, we harden. When I look and hear that word harden, I know it's coming from the heart, right? That's where we harden at. And it's true. We are constantly changing, whether we want to or not, because some things we can't change, like the fact that change is going to happen, right? Each day we are growing older, and yesterday's gone. Like we have today, and really that's where we're at. We're also renewing. We renew our liver, we renew our skin, the cells slough off. Our heart is renewing. There is even a scripture that I have in my bathroom about renewing the heart. So here's the thing. Rejuvenation is something that we have to be intentional about. We don't just rejuvenate, okay? I mean, sometimes you will just fall asleep because you're dead tired, but that's not really rejuvenation. That's just like going to sleep because you're dead tired, right? So here's the thing. We need to be intentional. And I have so many tips and tools and techniques that I personally like to use to rejuvenate. But I'm going to share with you today just three, all right? First, I want you to know that negative emotions deplete us. Okay. So if we want to rejuvenate, we need to flip the depleting emotions into an emotion of renewal. Does this mean you're never going to have negative emotions? No, we're all going to have negative emotions at times. But if we stay there, our battery is going to be depleted. All right. So we need ways that we can bring ourselves from depletion to renewal, and that is to rejuvenate. I love essential oils right here, RC. I love my book, Releasing Emotional Patterns with Essential Oils, because I can look in there and see how can I go from depletion to rejuvenation. All right. And one of the things recommends RC. Now, people say that R stands for lots of things. I like to remember that R can stand for rejuvenate. All right. And the affirmation that you use when you're using RC to rejuvenate is I take care of myself. All right, now here's the thing. Oh, it smells so good. If we are holding on to a belief that we're not worthy to take care of ourselves, then we're not going to do it. All right. So if this seems hard to you to say the words, I take care of myself, then it may be a little deeper than just taking care of yourself. Like maybe you need to work on letting go of some beliefs that's holding you back. All right. So in my Exceptional Health Masterclass that I did last year with 12 wonderful women, we really got deep down into beliefs and in releasing emotions, because I know that that is so often what's blocking us from getting to the next step. So just know I'm here for you. If you have any questions about saying the words, I take care of myself, and actually taking care of yourself, get a hold of me. All right. Now, another technique I like to use is a heart math technique. All right. It's called heart focused breathing. And I believe true self-care is not just doing something, okay, but that we love ourselves unconditionally from our heart, our spiritual heart. All right. That is truly the best self-care we can give ourselves. If we're just doing it to do it, and I am guilty of doing that for so long, like I just thought if I went through the list, right, that everything was going to be good and fine. And here's the thing, it's not. All right. If we are not doing things for the, and I don't even want to say for the right reasons, but for the deep reasons, the heart reasons, because I love myself unconditionally, not because I'm putting more conditions on myself and just stressing myself out more, then I'm going to feel it. All right. So the best self-care we can give oneself is to love ourselves unconditionally. And when we do that, things begin to change. We begin to change. That's what I talk about in my book, is because for so long I wanted change and I just didn't know how I could change. And to be honest, like I wanted the change, the different result, but I didn't want to do the changing. And we have to change if we want new results. So third, all right, I'm going to be doing this tonight. Y'all are going to have to keep me accountable. I'm going to take a good old Epsom salt bath, and I'll probably put some RC in there because I really need to rejuvenate tonight. I have a busy next couple of days. I've had a busy couple of days. So I know that my battery is getting depleted, and I am going to love myself unconditionally. All right. I'm going to give myself some time to relax in a nice hot Epsom salt bath and enjoy a few essential oils in my bath with it. Okay. Lavender is also really good to do at night. So who knows, maybe a little RC, a little lavender, whatever sounds good at the moment. But when we are depleted, we're no good to our family. All right. We're just putting our own health at risk. Last night, I was getting depleted. All right. I had things on my plate that I was trying to check off before today. And I could tell, like, I was thinking about what am I going to share tomorrow? And I was like, Shauna, your own story, right? You're putting yourself and your health at a disadvantage. And I wasn't being really nice to my family. And so I had to step back and go, you know what? The list isn't important. I'm important. My family is important. You're important. All right. So know that when you are feeling stressed, when your energy is going down, it is time to rejuvenate. All right. So today, this Wellness Wednesday, I want you to stop. I want you to think about how can I rejuvenate today? And I would love for us to continue this conversation over in my Exceptional You community. If you're not already over there, let me know. I'll show you around. It's going to be so much fun as people begin to get in there and we have these conversations. So let's rejuvenate. Let's have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I will see you later. I was going to check to see if there's anybody here. I don't. Okay. Again, it's not showing me messages. I wish it would show me messages so I could see if you're here. If not, leave me a message and I will get back to you. All right. See you later. Bye.